Our next EC2 instance storage type is AMI, Amazon Machine Image. It's a customization of EC2 instance. It's built for some specific region, but still you can copy the files across multiple regions. It's of three types. The first one is custom AMI, that's managed and created by the customers. The second one is public AMI, that's AWS managed. And the third one is marketplace AMIs that are available by the third-party providers. So let's have hands on it. Let's go to our EC2 console. Here is our Amazon console. So we can just go to instances. We can click on launch an instance. First of all, we will create an instance. Then I will guide you how to create an AMI. This is the name of our my test instance. Okay, this is the name of the instance. Then I have to select the OS type. Then is AMI that's available. So we can just keep on instead of creating a new key pair, I'm using the old key pair, and I can start using existing security group. Yeah, here we go. To save the time, I'm just making it quick because I covered all this in the previous one. So in the data script, I just have to remove the last line. I'll guide you why I removed this. So in this, I just created Apache server. I just installed it and I just started it and I enabled its services. So I just click on create. So let's wait for a few seconds and it's up. And I refresh it. Here we go. My instance is here and it's in pending state. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and it will be launched soon. It's just because it's installing and updating the services. It may take a few minutes, maybe some seconds. Yeah, here it's live. So I just click on open public address. Okay, so it's HTTP based. Let's wait for it. Yeah, here we go. So this is the test page by the Apache server. So I'm just going to make an AMI from this instance, and I have to click on actions, go to images and templates, and then click on create template, create image to create an AMI. So it's my AMI. So this is the description. You can write anything. So just keep on all the settings as it is, and you can scroll here and click on create image, and the image is created. So you can also see on this right preview, go to images and click on AMI. So here you go. This is the AMI I just created right now. So it's in pending state. It will take a few seconds to save all the settings. So let's wait for it. After its status will change, we will go to create a new EC2 instance. So let's wait. It's still loading. So you can also see it's showing owned by me. There are also other types like private images, public images. There are also shortcuts to go to EC2 image builder. This is the recycle bin if I delete. It's still pending. As you can see, when it's pending, it's all the settings, its visibility is private. You can also select it, and when it's ready you can also click on launch instance from AMI. We have to wait until it's over. It's still on pending state. So as you can see, our AMI is available. So you can also select it and create instance from this. And also there is another way. If you go to create an instance, you can click on launch instance and you can name it whatever you want. I name it as from AMI, and here are OS images available. I will go to my AMIs, and that are, you can see that are two types, owned by me and shared with me. These are the ones that are like shared to me, and this is the one which is created my. If I click on this drop down, all my AMIs will show here. This is my recent AMI. I just select it. I may use existing key pair. Rest all the settings are same, and we just have to update the user data here. So at this time, as we are creating all these settings from AMI, so we don't need to do all this install, update and start the services, as our AMI already having this. Just copy these first three commented lines and just echo hello from our host. So I just use this and I click on launch an instance. So here we go. So we can go on launch instances screen. So as you can see, this is our latest instance that I just created is from my instance. We can wait up till it's running. It will be copying all the settings from our this base AMI that I created from this instance. So as you can see, this is our instance created from our AMI is running right now. I just go to its public address and let's open it here. Let's check it from HTTPS, and as you can see, it's just loaded right away and it's showing hello world from our instance. And you can see our previous one was just configured with this Apache server, and our newly created instance is inherited all the settings from this instance and just showing this one, our latest echo command. So this one was the tutorial for AMIs. So we can also go back, and if I want to like delete, I can just click on here. I can go to actions and like deregister it, and we can get rid of this. And once we delete this, it goes to recycle bin. We can go to there and we just clean it from there also, and we can also restore that. Let's say there are some retention rules like any name you will type here for EBS snapshots and AMI machine images. See for how many days it will create your deleted AMIs or your EBS snapshots. Okay, so we can create the retention rule, and once we delete it from here, it will go to recycle bin. And if we want to restore, we can restore from here, and if we want to like delete it, it will be deleted after the retention period. So that's all for Amazon machine images.